Hello everyone, welcome to winsights.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable Internet Printing Client on Windows 11. To open this feature, go to Run and enter the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this in the description also, then click OK. This command will open Programs and Features window. On the left pane, you can find Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Now, Windows Features dialog will open. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Locate Print and Document Services and expand it. Here you can find Internet Printing Client. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable it and click OK. Windows will now search for the required files and apply all the necessary changes. That's it. Internet Printing Client is now enabled. A restart now is highly recommended. Internet Printing Client is now enabled on your Windows 11.